the last remnant of the gardens of Balloo House, home to the Steele-Nicholson family from the 1700s. Within the woodland is a small, shallow pond that has been overrun with floating pennywort. In order to eradicate this fast-growing and invasive species, we first employed the services of a contractor to dredge the pond and remove as much of the vegetative material as possible. The digger inevitably left some fragments of plant material behind, so we first used rakes and later nets to remove them. Leaving a tiny fragment of root behind is enough for the plant to regenerate, and with the ability to grow 20 centimetres in one day, we have to be thorough and persistent in removing any trace of the plant. With the removal of the floating pennywort, we hope native plants will now have less competition and a more diverse pond life can emerge in and around the water.